Trump is saying that all the countries want to make a deal, but they do not know how to do it. Trump put tariffs and asked all the countries to fix the American trade deficit. And these are mostly poor countries. Those countries make the products that America needs. However, they do not need American products, so there is no solution. Nearly 40 years ago, American business people created a system to produce their products in those poor countries where labor is very cheap and they made huge profits. Nike, Apple, and hundreds of other American companies make their products not just for America. They make their products for the whole world. They sell those products in more than 100 countries. They bring large amounts of money to America and keep America the richest country in the world. When Trump announced a 145% tariff on China, as if China will pay it, but China will not pay a single cent. When a $1,000 TV comes from China to an American shop, the shop owner will pay $1,450 to the American government and sell it to an American customer for $3,000. So China did not pay anything, and it is not China's problem. In fact, it is the American business owner's problem. For everything they bring from China or anywhere, such as shoes, phones, car parts, American will have to pay a tariff for it. It is a big problem for Walmart, Amazon, Nike, Apple, car manufacturers, and so many business owners, so they have to solve it. Trump already mentioned that they do not know how to solve it. Probably they are trying to do it individually, but I think it should be done collectively. American business people, China's business people from other parts of the world, if they all combine to try to solve it, raise $10 billion, then make an appointment with Jared Kushner and Ivanka Trump, then offer them this money as a donation. They are very intelligent, and Trump only trusts Ivanka with money. The business people can ask them to convince Trump that tariffs would be bad for the economy and bad for the Republican Party. And Trump can claim victory in this trade war and say that he is talking to other countries to get a better deal for America. When the American economy gets better, the tariff will be forgotten. The $10 billion donation can be kept safe in Saudi Arabia. Also, Putin uses Saudi Arabia to distribute money among media personalities and politicians. Trump needs lots of donation to elect his presidential candidate Ivanka Trump in 2028.